Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a vegetable omelet. Chop vegetables and whisk 2 eggs with salt and pepper. Start by prepping all ingredients so cooking is relaxed and smooth. Heat a non-stick pan over medium and add butter or oil. Sauté the veggies until tender and slightly golden, then pour the eggs in and let them set gently around the edges before folding. Keep your heat moderate so eggs cook through without browning too much. Use a spatula to lift edges and let uncooked egg flow underneath for even cooking. If desired, add a splash of milk or a pinch of herbs for extra creaminess and flavor. Fold the omelet in half and let residual heat finish the center, keeping the texture tender and not overcooked. Experiment with textures by combining crisp veggies and soft cheese for contrast. Sprinkle fresh herbs at the end to preserve their bright flavor and aroma. Try a pinch of smoked paprika or a few chili flakes if you like a mild kick. Remember that cheese and salt change the balance, so taste as you go and plate the omelet while warm for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.